As Velu was sitting on the bench on the platform now, he had put his head on his knees and was feeling miserable and exhausted. Miserable means he was feeling uncomfortable and unhappy, and he was exhausted means he was very tired. Why he was tired? Because he has run away from his village 2 days ago. Before 2 days he had run from his village, and he had eaten nothing but only peanuts and jaggery. He was also carrying a bundle with him in which he had his shirt, a towel and a comb. And he where he was sitting now, there he was able to hear lot of noise. And when he was walking there, means many peoples were walking there, they were bumping their suitcases to him, and he was just sitting uncomfortably there. He had walked for most of the first day, means when he came there na, before that when he had started running from his own on that first day na, he had walked for so long, and he had means completed most of the distance of that day, and he had reached to this Chennai Central Station, from where he has taken the train. And on that day now, when he was getting in that train, at that day he was not even having the money to purchase the ticket, but somehow he was hiding there, and he had reached in the train, where he was trying to sleep now in that train. The some men came there, and they were playing the cards near him, and they were shouting, and because of which he was not even able to sleep, and because of that he was very much tired. So when he was sitting there now, he heard someone was calling him. When he just looked up and opened his eyes, he saw no one was looking at him, and again he hears the voice. And when he looks in that direction now, he see one girl who was wearing a banyan which was very long, which was up to her, reaching up to her knees. Na he she was trying to talk with him. So he looks to her and thinks that why this girl may be wearing this banyan. And that girl, what she was doing, she was picking the plastic cup from the that platform, and she was stuffing them into her sack which she was carrying on her shoulder. Means she was a rag picker who was picking the plastic bags and cups and bottles, and she was stuffing them in her sack. जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो प्लास्टिक की बॉटल्स और वो सब जमा करते हैं ना, आप लोगों ने देखे भी होंगे कई बार, वो लोग एक बड़ी सी बोरी जैसी अपने शोल्डर पे डाल के रखते हैं, जिसके अंदर वो ये सारी चीज़ें जमा कर देते हैं। तो वो सोचता है वेलू कि ये लड़की मुझे क्यों बुला रही है, वाई शी मे बी कॉलिंग टू मी, एंड why she wants to talk to me. He thinks at that time na, he was just thinking at that time, that girl say, why you are staring at me in this way, you are looking stupidly at me. So वो कहते हैं कि तुम ऐसे stupidly मेरी तरफ क्यों घूर रहे हो. तो वो उसे कुछ नहीं कहता, तो वो उससे पूछती है व्हाट इज़ योर नेम. सो ही मटर्स यानी अपने आप से बातें करते, वो कहता है वेलू. तो वो कहती है, सो मिस्टर वेलू, तुम घर से भागे हुए लगते हो. तो वो सोचने लगता है कि मुझे इस गर्ल को क्यों आंसर करना चाहिए. वो ही थिंक्स दैट आई शुड डोंट आंसर टू दिस गर्ल. एंड ही रिमेंबर्स दैट वाई ही हैड रन फ्रॉम हिज हाउस. ही रिमेंबर एवरीथिंग दैट हिज फादर यूज टू स्नैच द मनी ऑफ his and his sister which they used to earn. He used to snatch that money and he used to drink. मीन्स जो उसके फादर थे वो क्या करते थे, वो इन बच्चों से, ये और इसकी जो बहन थी, इन दोनों से जो ये पैसे मजदूरी करके लाते थे, वो इनसे छीन लेते थे और उससे शराब पी लेते थे. सो ही रिमेंबर एवरी थिंग्स एट दैट टाइम ना. दैट गर्ल asked to him that whether you have run away from your home. I know that many children like you who just run away from their home. So what are you going to do here? She asked to him. Do you want to become rich? She asked na. and what she does while she was talking to him na, she just sits next to him. And at that time na, the Velu, what he does, he slightly shift from there. जब वो उसके साथ बातें कर रही होती हैं तो वो अपनी बोरी नीचे रख के उसी के बाजू में बैठ जाती है और उससे सारी चीज़ें पूछने लगती है। तो जब वो उसके बाजू में बैठती है ना, तो उससे वो क्या करता है, थोड़ा सा वहाँ से शिफ्ट होके बैठता है। और उसी टाइम व्हाट हैपेंस ना, हिज स्टमक स्टार्ट्स फीलिंग दैट ही इज pinching him, that he thinks that he is very hungry, and he means just what she do, he just press his stomach na. So at that time when that girl sees na, she asks him that whether you are hungry. So if you she says to him that if you are going to sit here only na and make faces, no one is going to give you any food. If you want some food na, I will help you. So when she says that na, the Velu just keeps on thinking that what should I do. At that time what that girl do, she just pick up her sack and walks away from there. She starts walking from there. The Velu thinks that what should I do now. He sits on, stay on the bench only and keep on thinking that what should I do, should I follow this girl or not, where she will takes to me. But after some time na, he say decide that what he has to do. And at that time na, he sees to that girl who was disappearing in the crowd. वो लड़की की तरफ देखता है जो वो भीड़ में ना गायब होने लगती है, तो वो उसके पीछे भागता है। और वो सोचता है कि मैं तो यहाँ पे किसी को जानता भी नहीं हूँ, क्या करूँगा। इससे अच्छा कि है दैट आई मस्ट रन आफ्टर हर। और जब वो उसके पीछे उसके साथ जाने के लिए भागा, तो वो लड़की पीछे मुड़ के भी नहीं देखती है कि क्या वो मेरे साथ आ भी रहा है या नहीं। शी वॉज जस्ट मूविंग अहेड विदाउट लुकिंग बैक दैट वेदर ही इज कमिंग और नॉट। Okay, this was the part 1. In second part we will learn more about this chapter. Okay.